And action!
Hey guys, this is SupermanNew52 Mcgamer, and
This is SupermanNew52 Gaming. Today, we're going to talk about Superman's going to be driving the monster truck.
I got it for my birthday by yesterday.
Yeah, because I got it for him.
Yeah.
So, let's see how it goes.
It got to snow. It can go to snow, water, and grass.
So let's test it out. Show us, John.
And it goes backwards and forward, and also you can steer it.
It can also go in water.
Yeah, it can also go in water, but not snow. Look, watch this. You see, it cannot go snow. But it can go backwards.
That's cool.
So you need AA batteries.
Yep, you need AA batteries as the master.
My batteries are not included right by the truck. So
Well, for mine,
the colors are red and blue because I saw it in the box.
Uh-huh.
It's pretty cool. I like that.
Yeah. So anyway, so that's about the monster truck. See you guys next time.
Wait, no.
Why?
No, not yet.
Why?
So we're gonna show you about Kevin's.
Well, after it's done charging.
Yeah, because it's not charging yet.
Yeah.
Well, okay, guys. So that's it for today.
And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
And also, don't forget. Now we're gonna have a race next on YouTube.
So see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.